Hello, my name is Andy Schwartz, and I'm the director of the AAHKS Arthroplasty Implant Registry, or AIR. This is a free offering for all AAHKS members and friends of AAHKS, which is everyone who loves metal and plastic. This is an investment by our association in helping you identify unknown implants to prepare you for whatever revision surgery will throw at you. The breadth of our registry includes almost 900 unique femoral stems from 155 companies in 36 countries. In the coming weeks, this will also include another 800 total knees, acetabular cups, and partial knees. We continue to work hard and respond to your feedback to optimize, expand, and enhance this offering. So please take advantage of AAHKS's newest member benefit to help you with your revision practice, and be sure to let us know how we can continue to improve. Give it a try. You can access AIR by visiting air.ahks.net or by scanning the QR code on the screen.